Welcome to my channel. So now we're going to select the returns so that we can generate a payment for the return. Okay, so from here you just have to confirm. So like some of these have got penalties, as you can see. Then from there I'm making the payment using mobile money. Okay, so confirm. If you're using the bank, you just generate a bank over the counter on the other part. So here we enter the mobile money number that we're going to use to make the payment with, and you have to select which network it is, because when you select a different network, there's a possibility that you won't receive the notification for the payment on the phone. So since I'm using my phone number, so right now I've just received the payment confirmation message where I have to approve the payment from my phone, and I've just approved that payment. So now we can go in the history to check if it has approved. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so I'm just printing the NPIN, which is more of a document that shows what was generated, not the actual receipt. The actual receipt comes in after. Okay, so you can just click like and subscribe to see more future videos like this. That's how you make a payment with Napsa.